You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. Today I'm going to be showing you a realistic wash day for damaged natural hair. A little bit of background, I have type 3C and type 4A-ish natural hair. And I did damage the front of my hair just because it has color and I kind of neglected it. Neglect is damage. So the first step in my wash day routine is Olaplex number 0. I have 2 because this literally has like 2 drops in here. And I got a new one. I have a full in-depth video about Olaplex and the steps. But again, this is for strictly damaged hair. The other video is more for like healthier hair when my hair wasn't damaged, and that routine's, I guess, slightly different. But I'm going to start off with Olaplex number 0 and apply that all over my hair. Now, even though just the front part of my hair is damaged, I do this routine all over my hair. It really doesn't matter. Damp your hair, not dripping wet. I kind of sometimes just use this time to lightly finger detangle, get rid of any shed hair. And then you leave number 0 on for 10 minutes. It's debatable whether or not you need number 0. I do see the best benefits to my hair when I use both 0 and 3. If you don't want to spend so much money because these products are expensive, you can just pick number 3. Now, I know this color is different from what you guys have seen. I will have a video coming out soon on how I refreshed this color without a hair dye. I just used a hair mask, so I will show you guys that. So it's not that my hair has received any further damage. It actually hasn't. I haven't re-dyed my hair. So now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I will come back and apply number 3, which again, like I said, if you don't want to buy both products because they're both about $30, you can just buy number 3 and just start off with number 3. All right, it's been like 10 minutes, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply Olaplex number 3. It says leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. I don't recommend you sleeping in this. I've seen someone do that and I was cringing. Look, don't do too much when it comes to products like this. Just do what you need to do, the bare minimum. I would say maybe an hour if you want to. It's really not that serious. Also, you don't need that much. It's very concentrated. So a little bit of this stuff actually does go a long way. With already having number 0 on my hair, it makes number 3 easier to apply. So again, it just works perfectly together. I'm gonna leave number 3 on for a minimum of 10 minutes, probably like 25 minutes. It's really not that deep. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this Olaplex out in the shower. And I'm gonna be using 2 shampoos. A clarifying shampoo, so the Kenra one. I go between this one and the Adore Beauty clarifying shampoo. The point is that you need a really good clarifying shampoo to use K18. Okay, they have their own clarifying shampoo, but I rather just use what I prefer. Then I'm gonna follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, which is the Olaplex number 4. Again, it's just better to have clarifying shampoo than replenish that moisture. Make sure your hair is stripped, but moisturized at the same time. Then I will towel dry and I will come back and show y'all how I apply the K18, but I just wanted to let y'all know what the process is gonna be beforehand. Recording in the shower is too much, so I'm not doing that. So that's what it is. Right, so I shampooed my hair. Again, I did 2 ounces of the clarifying shampoo. A tip when you're washing your hair is that never just do one wash. I hope you're not just doing one wash because that's not enough. The first wash is just like barely anything because it's not even sudsing up because your hair is dirty. Second wash, you start to see suds. Okay, cool, it's working. Third wash, you know your hair is clean. So that's what I did. So to use K18, your hair has to be untowel dried hair. Now let's clear up a few things, okay? I did a shorts here on YouTube trying K18 for the first time. I got a couple comments, questions, even some rude comments on there about the use of K18. It was the first time trying it, so obviously I didn't know how to properly use it. Hence, first time, you don't know what you're doing, right? Okay, so now that I know how to use this properly, I'm gonna let you know. So, towel dry hair, okay? Only shampoo, do not deep condition, do not condition. I did not condition, obviously. The treatment of Olaplex is a treatment, not a conditioner. Use 3 pumps. I think I did like 4 in that video, whatever. This goes a very long way, so just like emulsify it in your hands and just let it spread. Cool. All right, on the K18 website, I feel like some of y'all don't believe me that I read this, but after using this for 4 minutes, all it needs is 4 minutes to activate the products and to do whatever this does for damaged hair. Only 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can do whatever the heck you want with your hair. Style it, condition it, whatever. So on here, it has a question, why skip conditioner? Conditioner leaves a film that blocks our peptide from penetrating effectively. Once the 4 minute wait time is up, feel free to use a conditioner, a leave-in, or any type of product. And that is why I'm gonna go in with a deep conditioner, because I have tried just K18 by itself and then went to stylers, and I felt like my hair was just a little bit dry after that. So deep conditioning is super important to me, and I don't omit that from this routine for damaged hair, okay? I just wanted to make sure I let y'all know that I read that, and I'm very aware that that's how you can use it, okay? This section will get like 2 pumps. Maybe, actually 3 pumps. So this is what 3 pumps look like. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's enough, okay? Again, as naturals, we tend to be heavy-handed, but in that shorts, well, y'all were just coming for me like that wasn't my first time trying a product. I just didn't think it was enough for me, but now using this, it is, okay? I'll leave this product on for 4 minutes. That's all it needs. You don't need to leave this on. Well, I mean, it's a leave-in, so whatever, but you don't have to wait a significant amount of time. Like, you don't have to wait an hour or something in between. It's literally just 4 minutes. All right, it's been 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair again. Ooh, it feels pillow soft. And detangle. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition, so I'm gonna use my Nature's Little Secret Mixed Fruit Deep Conditioner. I'm in the need of moisture today. The deep conditioner changes every time I do this routine, honestly, so don't hold me to this deep conditioner. And I'm gonna go underneath the dryer to make sure that it really penetrates into my hair. This routine, again, is every other week. Routine that I do for the weeks in between, it's just a basic shampoo and deep conditioner. But just keep in mind though, when you're starting off with K18, you do have to use it for 4 to 6 consecutive washes. So when I first started K18, that's what I did. I just didn't do Olaplex every single time. All right, went under the dryer for 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see that, like the damage, which some days it curls, some days it doesn't. Depends on the deep conditioner, I think. But I have to admit that I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so my hair is really dry, so I'm not surprised that it's not bouncing back as fast as it should. Okay, so this is the end of my realistic wash day routine for damaged hair. Be sure to watch my video on exactly the differences between K18 and Olaplex. I have tons of videos on my channel, so be sure to check them out. You might find something helpful there, so I will catch you over there, or I will catch you in the next video. Peace.